इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे टैली परफॉर्मेंस और स्टारटेक के वर्सन टेस्ट के बारे में। अगर आप टैली परफॉर्मेंस और स्टारटेक के वर्सन टेस्ट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो सिर्फ आप ही के लिए। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा बिना स्किप किए हुए पूरा वीडियो शुरू से एंड तक देखिएगा। सबसे पहले जानते हैं वर्सेंट क्या होता है। व्हाट इज वर्सेंट? Vercent is a test of your voice. You don't have to type anything or write anything, nor you will get anything in written. Everything is vocal. You have to listen and reply accordingly. There are 3 rounds in this. First, repeat round. Second, short answer. Third, sentence revealed. पहला राउंड रहेगा रिपीट राउंड, दूसरा राउंड रहेगा शॉर्ट आंसर, तीसरा राउंड रहेगा सेंटेंस रिवील्ड। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दीज 3 राउंड्स इट विल टेस्ट द नेटवर्क कनेक्शन माइक्रोफोन वेदर यू आर ऑडिबल और नॉट, एंड फॉर दैट इट विल गिव यू ए टॉपिक टू स्पीक। सो ऑल दिस इज ए जस्ट नॉर्मल चेकअप वेदर एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग और नॉट। जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो। वॉइस वर्सेंट विल टेक मैक्सिमम 20 minutes. Score come in levels. Highest level of Vercent score is 6. Passing score your HR will confirm. First, repeat round. You have to repeat the sentences. For example, you listen. What's your name? You have to repeat it. You want answer. My name is Akshat. Just repeat. What's your name? That's it. You listen the sentence and then the screen changes. You have to repeat when the screen changes. It gives you a specific time when the screen changes to repeat the sentence, and you just have to repeat it once and then wait for next sentences. It doesn't mean you have to keep repeating to until the next sentence. Sentence screen changes, then repeat once. Wait for next sentence. Sentence screen changes, then repeat once. There are a total of 18 sentences. You don't have to write anything. You just have to listening and reply. Second, short answer round. In short answer round, you have to give one word answer of some questions. For example, you listening, we drink water from a glass or a newspaper. You have to answer one word, only glass. You don't have to answer in sentences. Suppose next question you listening is a normal chair has how many legs? 4. Answer is 4. Question screen changes, then one word answer. Wait for next question. Sentence screen changes, then repeat once. There is a total of 16 questions. Third, sentence rearrangement. We have to rearrange some jumbled words and form a sentence. For example, you listen. Name is my Akshat. Then you have to answer. My name is Akshat. There is a total of 8 jumbled words. Screen changes, then speak correct sentences. Wait for next. Jumbled words. Screen changes, then speak correct sentences. Important instruction. That is a voice. Your voice should be clear and loud. Loud doesn't mean shouting. You should have a normal tone of voice so that you are audible. For this is the simple trick is to have a microphone in front of your mouth. Then you will be audible properly. You don't have to place it close to your mouth. Be on a silent place, and I would suggest to keep fan and room closed until you are giving your Vercent round. Use the wired earphones as Bluetooth earphones doesn't work. Preferred laptop for giving Vercent. Be in a good internet connection. Phone internet wouldn't helpful. Next thing is in case you make a mistake during the sentence. For example, we drink water from a glass or newspaper, and your answer is newspaper. You don't have to get hyper. You just have to pay attention to the next question. You have to pay attention to the next sentence. If you make a mistake in a repeat round, you don't have to be nervous. You just have to pay attention to the next sentence. The last 2 rounds are short answer and sentence rearrangement. These 2 rounds are easy. You don't have to make a mistake in the last 2 rounds. You have to give your best in the repeat round. Why is the repeat round tough? Because something the sentence are long. Now have to start Vercent. Simple. You will get a mail from HR on giving mail ID. You have to open that mail and tap the start test and TIN number will automatically get entered on the website or app. Find your TIN number, copy that TIN number and from Android phone only download the app from Play Store and paste the TIN number and it will be start. For laptop computer just open Google Chrome and search Versant Web and paste TIN। जो मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको वर्सेंट टेस्ट का फॉर्मेट बताया एग्जैक्टली यही फॉर्मेट वहाँ पे आता है, यही आंसर आपको देने होते हैं। इसका पीडीएफ भी मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगा। कैसे मिलेगा? डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक दिया है, उस पर स्विच करेंगे, वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा पीडीएफ में।